Now our topic is Women's Minker Bank. The meeting of the Minker Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. Fazila is the president of the bank. 20 fisherwomen had made their own bank. How many members were there in there? 20 members were there. 20 fisherwomen. Each saves rupees 25 every month and put it in the bank. How many rupees did they save? They saved 25 rupees. Now some questions are given. We will solve it. How much money does the group collect each month? Now one person collects 25 rupees. So how many members were there? 20 members were there. 20 multiplied by 25, how much it will be? 500 rupees. Okay. Now how much money will be collected in 10 years? How much money will they collect in 1 year? Now in 1 month they will collect 500 rupees. Okay. Then in 12 months how much? Then you have to multiply by 500 multiplied by 12. What will be the answer? 12 multiplied, it will be 6,000 rupees in 1 year. Now we want for 10 years. Then how much they will collect in 10 years? 10 multiplied by 6,000. So 6 ones are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much money will they collect? They will collect rupees 60,000 in 10 years. Why don't we start a new fish drying factory? The women of Minka Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The panchayat has given them some land for that. Over the years, they have saved rupees 74,000. They find out how much they will need for the factory. Fazila write the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost. Now here the table is given. Now borewell for fresh water, 3,000, number of item 1, it will be 3,000 rupees. Bamboo rack for fish drying, 2,000 for each. They need 20 items, it will be 40,000. Cement tank, rupees 1,000 for 1. They need 4 items, it will be 4,000. Tray and knife, rupees 300. Number of items needed are 20. So it will be 6,000. And bucket, rupees 75. They needed 20. So it will be 1,500. The total cost goes to 54,500. The total cost to set up the factory is 54,500. Now here what they told, when fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. How much dried fish will get in a month? Now in a month, 1/3 it gets after dried. It's 6,000 they divide. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So it is 2,000 kgs dried fish in a 1 month. Florama. Let us first calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. Now we buy fresh fish for rupees 15 rupees per kg. We sell dried fish for rupees 70 per kg. We dry 6 kg fish to get 2 kg of dried fish. Now you will tell, how did we get 2 kg of fish when it is 6 kg? I have told you in previous video that after dried it goes to 1/3. Now it is 6 kg. Multiply by 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 ones are 2. In this way it comes 2 kg. Now 4 kg of fish we have to pay 6 multiplied by 15 because the price for fresh fish is 15 rupees. So 6 15s are rupees 90. We will sell 2 kg fish and get now dried fish we sell for rupees 70. 2 kg, 2 multiplied by 70, it will be 140 rupees. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we will earn 140 rupees. And from fresh fish, it will get minus 90. So rupees 50. If we dry 6,000 kg, we can earn rupees 50 multiplied by 1000 is equal to how much it is? 50,000 in 1 month. They are all very happy with this plan. The group can make profits and each woman can get a salary for the work she does. Now here is Jhansi. I found that for 6,000 kg fish we will need 1500 kg salt. 6,000 kg fish they need 1500 kg salt every month and its price is rupees 2 per kg and its price is rupees 2 per kg. Now will cost for monthly. Now salt 1500 rupees multiply by 2. How much they needed salt for 1 month? 15 this much kg. Okay, and what is the cost? 2 rupees. So 15 2s are 30. So it is 3000 rupees. Now packing and burst charges is rupees 3000. So monthly cost of drying and selling the fish. So we have to plus both of these, salt and burst charges. It will be total 6,000 rupees. Fazila, that sounds very good. Our calculation tells us that every month our bank will earn rupees 44,000. The bank is going to earn rupees 44,000 every month. So students, with this we have completed our first chapter, the fish tale. From next videos we will solve our problems on this. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.